Sprue design. H1, H2, HT is total height. HT is equal to H1 plus H2. If A2 is equal to A3, P2 is equal to minus rho G H2. Breathing or a aspiration effect. Because this is atmospheric. So P2 is equal to minus rho G H2. Breathing or aspiration effect. V2 is equal to RV3. R is equal to A3 by A2. To avoid aspiration, R is equal to A3 by A2 is equal to root of H1 by HT. As per above expression, area should decrease linearly practically parabolically. But practically parabolical. A inversely proportional to root H. Halo sections core supported by same material being casted. F net is equal to rho 1 minus rho 2 into V core into G. Rho 1 molten metal density, rho 2 core density. T cooling curve for pure metals. Tp then till melting point, latent heat of fusion, then T naught. Cooling curve for alloys except eutectic. Tp, Tm to Tf. There will be range of melting point. Then T naught. First two stages altogether, liquid plus phase change shrinkage called as solidification shrinkage compensated by riser. Solid shrinkage, contraction, positive shrinkage allowance on pattern, expansion, negative shrinkage allowance on pattern. Only antimony, bismuth, silicon, germanium remaining all will undergo contraction. Krovinow solidification time T is equal to K V by A whole square. V is volume of casting, A surface area through which heat transfer takes place. Side riser, all surfaces are considered. Top riser, bottom surface is not considered. Riser designed for minimum surface area so that the time will be more, time solidification time will be more. Pattern material, wood, metal, plastic, very hard polystyrene, wax, investment, mercury, polystyrene in full molding. Types: single piece pattern, split piece pattern, gating, match plate, loose piece, skeletal, sweep. Elements: shrinkage elements, contract positive, expansion negative. Draft elements, positive elements. Shake elements, negative elements. Machining elements, positive. Distortion elements, U shape, V shape, theta directly proportional to L by T. Sand mold properties: strength, green strength, moisture will be there, dry strength, collapsibility, hot air, refractoriness, adhesiveness, permeability directly proportional to grain size, permeability water 8% water it will be maximum and then decreases. Pn is equal to Vh by Pat is equal to 501.28 by Ptp. P is in gram per centimeter square, T is in minute. Flowability decreases with increase in water and then keeps on increasing. Composition: sand 70 to 80%, silica, zirco sand, clay, quinolite or bentonite 20 to 30%, water up to 8%, other additives. Methods of riser design: shrinkage allowance method, shrinkage consideration method, TR greater than TC. This is solidification time of riser greater than solidification time of casting. MR greater than MC. Modulus M is equal to V by A by V ratio, cooling characteristic. Modulus method, MR is equal to 1.2 MC. Keynes method, freezing ratio, X is equal to MR by MC is equal to V by A riser by V by A casting. Volumetric ratio, Y is equal to VR by VC. X is equal to A by Y minus B plus C. X, Y, volumetric ratio VR by VC, freezing ratio MR by MC. Above that sound casting, below that defective casting. Naval's research method to cast slabs: X shape factor is equal to X is equal to L plus W by T. L length, W width of casting, T thickness. In volumetric ratio, Y is equal to VR by VC. Y volumetric ratio VR by VC. Shape in x-axis, shape factor. Here sound casting, here defective casting. Mold filling time, top gate filling time is equal to volume of casting by discharge. TF is equal to AH by AG root 2G HT. If AS is equal to AR is equal to AG, AS pro is equal to AR is equal to AG. TF is equal to AH by AG VG is equal to AH by AS VS. If is equal to AH by AR VR, if A3 not equal to AR not equal to AG. Bottom gating system HT. This capital H is height of mold. P1 is equal to P3 is equal to P at 0 P atmosphere. P2 is equal to P2 prime is equal to P2 double prime. Bernoulli equation, Bernoulli between 1 and 2, 2 prime, 2 double prime and 3, we will get V2 square is equal by 2G is equal to HT into is equal to HT minus H. V2 is equal to VG is equal to root of 2G into HT minus H. AG VG TT is equal to A capital H. A capital H. TF is equal to 2A by, if we integrate TF is equal to 2A by AG root 2G into root HT minus root of HT minus capital H. Parting gate, top plus bottom is used. Step gate, gating systems, pressurized gating systems, A decreases, P decreases, velocity increases. Non-pressurized gating system, A increases, P increases, V decreases. Gating ratios, prove area is to runner area is to gate area, in-gate area. Defects, cuts and washes, drop and scab, metal penetration, fusion, swell, gaseous defects, blowholes, blisters, scar, pinholes, porosity, misrun, cold shut. Special casting, shell molding. In slush casting, T is equal to C1 root tau s plus C2. C1, C2 constants, T thickness, tau s time. Investment casting, investment casting, centrifugal casting, squeeze casting, plaster casting, pit molding, continuous casting, die casting, full molding, CO2 casting. Now coming to welding. Property: direct current electrode negative or straight polarity, direct current electrode positive or reverse polarity, AC alternating current. In DCEP, electrode is negative, workpiece is positive. In DCEP or reverse polarity, electrode is positive, workpiece is negative. Heat generation 2 by 3rd at workpiece because workpiece is positive, and 1 by 3rd at electrode because electrons travel from electrode to workpiece. DCEP reverse polarity 2 by 3rd at electrode, 1 by 3rd at workpiece. Deposition rate low, here high, because more heat is generated at workpiece. Deposition rate is low, high, medium. Depth of penetration deep, because more heat on workpiece it will penetrate deep. Shallow, medium. Thickness of plate thick, thin, medium. Arc blow severe, insignificant in AC due to magnetization. Arc voltage V is equal to A plus BL. L is arc length. Welding current I is equal to Kd. D is diameter of electrode. Standard arc length L is equal to D and width is equal to 3D. Constant current transformer manual VI OCV SCC. OCV is open circuit voltage. This is short circuit current. Drooping characteristics. For stable arc, I arc is equal to I transformer. constant voltage transformer, semi-automatic and automatic. VI constant voltage, it will be like this. For stable arc, V arc is equal to V transformer, V is equal to OCV minus OCV by SCC into I, equation of this line. Weldability, aluminum less than copper less than cast iron less than stainless steel less than mild steel. Mild steel is easy to weld. Aluminum TIG MIG solid because aluminum is highly reactive. Copper oxidizing oxyacetal in flame. Cast iron braze welding, stainless steel TIG MIG plasma arc. With increase in percentage of carbon, weldability decreases due to martensite formation. Gas tungsten arc welding or TIG welding. Tungsten electrode non-consumable. Both AC and DC can be used. DC straight polarity preferred. Slow process, thickness up to 5 mm only. GMAW or MIG welding, consumable electrode, both AC and DC up to 30 mm thickness. DC reverse polarity preferred. Spray metal transfer. Submerged arc welding, to weld a low flux less than 0.3% carbon steel. Soft and ductile weldments. Atomic hydrogen welding, AC arc, two tungsten electrodes, H2 2H minus 421.2 kilojoule per mole reverse, used to weld highly refractory materials like ceramics. Oxy fuel gas welding, inner cone C2H2 plus O2 from cylinder, 2CO plus H2 plus heat. Outer cone 2CO plus O2, 2CO2 plus heat. Atmospheric oxygen H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O plus heat. Neutral flame hissing sound, O2 by C2H2 equal to 1. Inside 3100 degrees centigrade and capital N 1275, outside 1275 degrees centigrade. Suitable for all mild steel, cast iron, low and medium carbon steel. Oxidizing flame, O2 by C2H2 greater than 1, 1.15 to 1.5. Inside 3300 degrees centigrade, outside 1350 degrees centigrade, N by 2 only. Used to weld copper and its alloys, copper, zinc, brass. Carburizing flame, outside 1200 degrees centigrade, inside less only 2400 degrees centigrade, but length is 2n to 3n. O2 by C2H2 less than 1, 0.85 to 0.95. Used to weld high carbon steels, alloys and nickel alloys steels. Pressure gas welding, heated by oxyacetylene but joint pressure. Duty cycle percentage time with uh, with 5-minute period. Welding actually occurs without overloading the power source. IR square dr is equal to ID square dd. R is rated, D is desired. D is duty cycle. Weld bead geometry, this top is known as reinforcement. This is land, this is root gap, this length is land, this is root gap. Depth, this is height AR AP. Reinforcement height, penetration height, weld height, bead height. Percentage dilution is equal to AP by AP plus AR into 100. Welding, resistance welding, both uses heat and pressure is used. Resistance spot welding, heat is equal to H is equal to I square RT. If nugget is cylindrical, HMDN, height HN is equal to 2 into D minus 2 into T minus indentation. Diameter DN is equal to diameter of electrode. If unknown, DN is equal to 6 root T. Resistance projection welding, embossing, resistance seam welding, lap joint configuration to make leak-proof joints, upset welding, flash butt welding, percussion welding spring. Oxy fuel gas welding, oxygen cylinder block black color brass cylinder, right hand thread, porous silicate and plus acetone, red or maroon steel cylinder, left hand thread, thermite welding, heating and cooling, 3F heating and no, not cooling, heating and coating with metal, 3Fe3O4 plus 8Al gives rise to 9Fe plus 4Al2O3 plus heat. Yeah, a chemical reaction. Fe3O4 is to Al is equal to 3 is to 1 by mass, used for railroads, remote locations, high thickness plates, joining broken casting, friction welding, solid state welding. One metal must be ductile. Ultrasonic welding, solid state transducer vibrates at ultrasonic frequency, used for welding ultra thin foils. Electron beam welding, fusion welding process, high speed electron focused by magnetic lenses allows precision beam control, deep weld penetration. Laser beam welding, metal melts and partial evaporation takes place, mostly adopted in electronics industry. Heat affected zone is minimum. There is no thermal distortion. Explosive welding, only pressure involved. Solid state welding, soldering, melting temperature of filler materials less than 450 degrees centigrade. Filler material mostly lead, tin alloy, sometimes uh, sometimes silver, flux ZnCl to HCl. Brazing, melting temperature and filler material greater than 450 degrees centigrade but below melting point, and base metal alloys like brazing brass, copper and silicon, nickel and silver, manganese and bronze, copper and phosphorus. Flux borax 75% and boric acid. Strength gap, first it increases with gap, then keeps on decreasing with gap. Welding defects, cracks, porosity, solid inclusion, geometric defects. Engineering metrology, science of measurement. Inspection, online active or offline passive. 3M man machine material, based on quality is based on these 3M. Random data collection, normalization or Gaussian theory, frequency, process capability, 3 sigma, 2 sigma 68%, 4 sigma 95.5%, 6 sigma 99.73%. Process capability, x bar is equal to mean accuracy, closeness to targeted value, precision, repeatability, that is how many components are closer for given dimension. Elemental components, holes, holes internal feature, shafts external feature. For assembly, basic size should be same. Nominal or normal size with respect to basic size, nearest round number as per ISO. Types of assemblies, full interchangeability, mass, holes are made first, standard drill bits are available. Selective assembly, mass, make to suit assembly, unit. Limit to fit tolerance, fit diagram, this is EI, this is ES, inferior, superior, inferior. Hole width of tolerance is this, width of tolerance is this, basic size is this, original all zero line. Fit, this is maximum clearance, this is minimum clearance. Hole is above. Free fit or loose running fit or clearance fit. Minimum clearance, good quality. This shaft is above, minimum interference, this is maximum interference. Force fit or pressure fit or interference fit. Maximum interference is use good quality. Here minimum clearance is allowance, here maximum interference is allowance. Hole shaft, if they intersect, then transition fit. Types of tolerance: unilateral, A to G, J to Z. H is on this one, H is on this one, J to G, J to Z. Bilateral, it will be in between, only JS and JS. For holes A, B, C to ZS, it will go like this. For shafts, small a, small b, it will go like this. Still small h is like this, JS will be in middle. Tolerance is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Fundamental deviation is equal to minimum distance at which tolerance zone is situated from basic size. As per ISO, 25 types of fundamental deviations. Basis system, whole basis A to G, capital H is used, and remaining shafts are described. Shaft basis system, small h is there, and remaining A to Z holes are decided. Maximum material limit, lower limit of hole and upper limit of shaft. Minimum material limit, upper limit of hole and lower limit of shaft. Allowance difference between maximum material limits. Plating or coating shaft, upper limit after is equal to upper limit before plus 2 into max layer thickness. Lower limit after is equal to lower limit before plus 2 into minimum layer thickness. Hole upper limit after is equal to upper limit before minus 2 into minimum layer thickness. Lower limit after is equal to lower limit before minus 2 into maximum layer thickness. Capital E is equal to root of d1 d2. I is equal to 0.45 cube root d plus 0.001 d micrometer without tolerance. IT 01 0.3 plus 0.0 I d 0. IT 0 0.5 plus 0.12 d. From here IT 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Here I 10 I 100 I 1000 I 1.6 I 16 I 160 I 2.5 I 25 I 250 I. Here 4 I 40 I 400 I. Only this IT5 is exception. 7 I 64 I 640 I. Limit gauges: hole go plug gauge, lower limit, no go plug gauge, upper limit, shaft go ring gauge, upper limit, no go ring gauge, lower limit. Go maximum material limit, no go minimum material limit. Design of limit gauges: gauge allowance is equal to 10% of workpiece tolerance. Wear allowance is equal to 10% of gauge tolerance. Hole workshop without wear, both inside. Go no go inside. For shaft also both inside. Go no go both inside. Workpiece with wear allowance, no go inside, no go also inside, but wear is given only for go. So this x by 10, wherever the line is there, that x by 10 is given. Again now inspection, both will be outside. X by 10, x by 10, both will be outside. Now ISO with wear. No go will be outside, go will be inside. Here also go will be inside, no go will be outside. ISO with where no go outside, go inside, no go inside, no go outside, but go will be given where allowance. Slip gauges, direct contact, direct measurement, linear measuring instrument, normal set M45, special set M88, angular measurement, angle gauge, direct contact, direct measurement, sine bar, direct contact, indirect measurement. H is equal to H1 minus H2, sin theta is equal to H by L. L theta, sin theta is equal to H by L. D theta is equal to tan theta into dH by H minus dl by L. Limited to 45 degrees. VED is virtual effective diameter is equal to DE, pitch circle diameter, plus VC, virtual change. Autocollimator: flatness, straightness, angle, non-contact, direct, indirect measuring. X is equal to 2f delta theta. Clinometer or angle decker, spritless, to measure to measure heights. large vertical heights and large shapes or slopes or inclinations. Taper and insert internal diameter measurement sin theta by 2 is equal to r2 minus r1 by h1 plus r1 minus h2 plus r2. Screw thread measurement p is equal to pitch, true theta is equal to thread angle, lead is equal to number of starts into pitch, sin theta is equal to d2 minus d1 by m2 minus m1 minus d2 minus d1. M from bottom N1 into M1 M2 micrometer readings. Thread angle, screw, wire, rack and pinion gears, cylindrical rollers, gears, spherical balls. Best wire size dW is equal to P by 2 secant theta. PCD or DX is equal to dW x minus dW into 1 plus sin theta dx x. 2 theta is equal to thread angle x micrometer reading across the wire or the wire. PCD is equal to T plus dW dW into 1 minus cosecant theta plus P by 2 cot theta. Nut major diameter M is equal to M minor diameter plus 2 into flank height. dW is equal to P by 2 secant theta. Here balls are used. PCD pitch circle diameter is equal to Y plus dW into 1 plus sin theta. This is Y. Taylor surf electronic instrument surface finish diamond point skid interferometer n lambda by 2 optical flat n lambda by 2 comparator n is equal to g by l into n lambda by 2. Surface finish isometric. This is representation A B C D E. A is equal to machining allowance, B is equal to CLA micrometer, C is equal to symbol of lay, Indian more triangles area less than 0.25, more number of inverted triangles, better surface finish. 3 area 1.6 to 0.25, like this area greater than 25. M system 50% above, 50% below. E system spherical ball rolled, waviness is eliminated. Surface finish measurement maximum peak to valley height H max or RT, difference between highest peak to deepest valley. Turning H max is equal to F by tan psi s plus cot psi a. H max is equal to F square by 8r. Center line average value CLA RA micrometer, RA y1 plus y2 plus so on yn by n. YE from datum. For turning triangular, RA is equal to H max by 2, H max by 4. For turning, area is equal to H max by 4. Triangular. For shaping and planning, at rectangular square, area is equal to H max by 2. Area based area is equal to sigma A by L into 1 by HM. Horizontal magnification into 1000 by VM micrometer. Root mean square RMS RG or RS is equal to root of y1 square plus y2 square so on yn square by n. RS is equal to 1.1 RA. 10-point value or average over definite RZ is equal to P1 plus P2 plus so on P5 minus of V1 plus V2 plus so on V5 by 5. Grinding RA less than RZ less than RS less than RT or H max. Degree of emptiness is equal to 1 minus k. Form factor K is equal to A metal by A total is equal to degree of fullness. Degree of emptiness is equal to 1 minus K.